The tables are ready, the blankets are waiting, and soon this meadow will be full of color, kindness, and the sounds of every letter. Each friend wears a letter on their shirt and brings a tasty treat that begins with their sound.
Hi, I'm A and I brought apples. They come in red, green, and yellow. They're crisp, juicy, and perfect for sharing.
Hi, I'm B, and I brought bananas. They grow in big bunches called hands. They're soft, sweet, and full of energy. Bananas don't grow on trees, they grow on plants. They're a great snack for sports and playtime.
Hi, I'm C and I brought cake. It's soft, fluffy, and sweet. Cakes rise when we bake them because air gets trapped inside.
Hi, I'm Dee and I brought donuts. They're round, sweet, and fun to share. The hole helps them cook evenly. Some donuts are filled with jam or chocolate. They smell amazing and taste even better.
Hi, I'm E and I brought eggs. They can be white, brown, or even blue. Did you know that if an egg floats in water, it's too old to eat? Eggs are full of protein and make a yummy breakfast.
Hi, I'm F and I brought fries. They're made from potatoes that grow underground. Thin fries are extra crispy. People around the world love fries.
Hi, I'm G, and I brought grapes. They grow in bunches on vines. Grapes can be green, red, or purple. There are over 8,000 kinds of grapes. When grapes dry in the sun, they turn into raisins. How cool is that?
Hi, I'm H and I brought honey. Bees visit thousands of flowers to make just one jar. That's a lot of work. Honey never goes bad, it can last forever. Bees really are amazing little workers.
Hi, I'm I and I brought ice cream. It's cold, creamy, and melts in the sunshine, so we have to eat it fast. The first ice cream was made in China over 2,000 years ago. Sweet history, right? Hi, I'm Jay, and I brought juice. Fresh juice is made by squeezing fruits. It's full of vitamins and tastes great. Orange juice is one of the most popular drinks in the world. It's like sunshine in a cup. Hi, I'm Kay and I brought kiwi. The fuzzy skin hides a bright green inside with tiny black seeds. Kiwi fruit is full of vitamin C, just like oranges. Its name came from a little bird in New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Elle, and I brought lemonade. It's cool, fizzy, and refreshing. You just need lemons, sugar, and water. Lemons float because of their thick peel. Lemonade is the best drink for a sunny picnic. That's why it's my favorite.
Hi, I'm M, and I brought muffins. They're soft, fluffy, and come in lots of flavors. Blueberry is my favorite. Muffins rise when baked because of tiny air bubbles.
Hi, I'm N, and I brought nuts. They grow inside hard shells and come in all shapes. Almonds, peanuts, and cashew. Nuts are full of energy and protein, perfect for a long day of fun. Even squirrels think they're the best snack ever.
Hi, I'm O, and I brought oranges. They're juicy, round, and smell amazing when peeled. Oranges are packed with vitamin C. They keep us healthy and bright like sunshine. They're my favorite fruit. I'll place them right here for everyone to enjoy fresh and juicy.
Hi, I'm P, and I brought pizza. It's cheesy, tasty, and everyone loves a slice. Pizza started in Italy, and now it's loved all over the world. It's my favorite treat ever.
Hi, I'm Q, and I brought quiche. It's like a pie filled with eggs, cheese, and veggies. Quiche is a French dish that can be eaten hot or cold. It's delicious.
Hi, I'm R and I brought raspberries. They're soft, sweet, and bright red. Raspberries grow on bushes. They're juicy, healthy, and taste amazing, don't you agree? I'm placing these raspberries right here next to the other fruits. They look so bright and sweet.
Hi, I'm S and I brought sandwiches. They can have cheese, jam, or even veggies inside. The sandwich was named after the Earl of Sandwich.
Hi, I'm T, and I brought tomatoes. They're shiny, juicy, and taste great in salads. Tomatoes are actually fruits, not vegetables. They shine so bright. Isn't that cool?
Hi, I'm U, and I brought umbrella cakes. They're shaped like umbrellas with colorful icing tops. Umbrella cakes are sweet, colorful, and shaped like fun umbrellas.
Hi,
I'm V and I brought vegetables. Carrots, peppers, and broccoli make a rainbow on my plate. Vegetables give us energy to run and play.
Hi, I'm W and I brought watermelon. It's pink, juicy, and perfect for hot days. Watermelon is 92% water. It keeps us cool and happy in the sunshine. It's the best fruit for summer.
Hi, I'm X and I brought a fruit mix. It's full of apples, grapes, and strawberries, all my favorites. Fruit mixes are sweet, colorful, and full of vitamins. Sharing them with friends makes them extra tasty.
Hi, I'm Y and I brought yogurt. It's smooth, creamy, and comes in fruity flavors. Yogurt is made from milk and helps our tummies stay healthy.
Hi, I'm Z and I brought zucchini sticks. They're crunchy, golden, and baked, not fried. Zucchini is a veggie that tastes great roasted or baked. It's crunchy, golden, and my top picnic pick. Zucchini might look like a cucumber, but it tastes totally different.
That's everyone from A to Z. So many foods, colors, and sounds. Time to set up the tables and get ready for our picnic. The friends work together, arranging every dish with care.
Let me hold the bowl while you arrange the rest.
Lemons line up beside the lemonade. Grapes go in bunches so they don't roll away, and sandwiches are stacked neatly on bright plates. Little by little, an empty table becomes a rainbow of food.
Let me hold the tray while you reach.
Thanks! Teamwork makes it tidy.
This is what teamwork looks like in Alphabet Meadow.
Red apples, yellow bananas, purple grapes, green veggies. The picnic is as colorful as a rainbow.
Look at all the colors. Ovals, circles, and slices everywhere.
Their voices are full of kindness and laughter. What wonderful teamwork. Trees with bunting, balloons tied to tables. All children are waving or dancing. So much fun to be had together. Before they eat, the friends think about what's next. They've planned new adventures, swimming safely, reading stories, painting, and more. With friends, learning becomes easy and fun. And that's just the beginning of our alphabet adventures.